Good evening, everyone. My name is Revti, and I'm going to take today topic is active voice and passive voice. So there is a first we understand the voice. The voice is when we talk about voice, we have to understand what we are uh, do, uh, how we are speaking in a voice. Like in active voice, there is a in active voice, it's important. In active voice, its subject is important. In passive voice, it's important, that is to be and v3. So there is a uh, three main topic, like subject, object, verb. Like in subject, door of action. That means in in subject, like what's the action we are taking, and object, object is what action we are receiving, and verb is action or state. Like in Marathi we can use that is kriya. Verb action, and in active voice subject is important. In passive voice, object important, but also to be and v3. And verb is an imperative sentence. uh, in active voice, the formula is subject plus v1 plus object, v object, verb. And at passive voice, we in passive voice first we take object plus to be and v3, and then remaining sentence we use. In verb we use verb plus object. We can see in active voice, Raju eats a mango. In this, Raju is a subject, and it's a we get we verbs, and then object. And but in passive voice we use mango. Mango is a object, and then we take is a to be word, and eaten, that is we take verb third form. Then sentence is like the a mango is eaten, like mango is eaten by someone. And in active voice, Raju eats mango. Like in active voice, Raju is eating a mango. Like this also is a sentence. Like she sent a message. This is a active voice. She is a subject, we can use. Send is a verb, and message is a object. And in this passive voice, and passive voice we take she is sent a message, that is a to be sent, that is sent third form. Third form we take a sent a message. Why to learn passive voice? We learn a passive voice. There is a unknown, door of unknown, that when we make a sentence that we don't know who is the person we are talking about. Like it's not when the person is not important. And I want to give an example. Like the flag is uh, hoisted. Flag is hoisted, but the flag is hoisted. We The action is important, but the person is not important. This is a that's an example. And uh, when the we take a sentence like um, door is unknown, that is she's sending a letter. Sorry, that person sending a letter, but we don't know the person who was sending a letter. That's a door is unknown. That's then we take a passive voice. These are some example of some example of active voice. Can anyone tell the first sentence of subject? Does anyone? She is. These are subject. We are talk in we take in active voice. They he these are the subject, and this verb and object. This is a remaining in active voice. In passive voice, like I told you, we take object first, then we take to be form, and then we take v3 and remaining object, remaining words. In this, am is a we take the when we understand this sentence is passive voice, we know, like when we see in sentence to be formed, like these are am, is, are, or also there is a am, is, are also, and was, were, been, being, and be. These are the to be words, like I am invited, and then we take v3 with the form of verb. This is a sentence of the passive voice. The form of to be, like I said, is, am, are. These are a to be form, and is, am, are we use in present form, and was, where we use in past form, and being we use in continuous form, and been is in perfect form we use. And then v3 and by. Also I want to mention that by, it's not important, but also, it's, we can say it's two type of, it's important but also not important, because we when we want to mention someone, then we use a by. My mother, um uh, like when we want to mention like someone or something, someone person, then we use a by. But in the sentence we don't know the person or something, then we don't use a by. Verb with three forms, right? Like everyone knows this verb, like sir say, give you a verbs sheets, then everyone knows that write, wrote, return is a basic. These are the basic verbs everyone knows. So I you can know everything. So I'm and identify the passive voice. So everyone, I told you that in passive voice we use a to be and plus v3. These are the sentence, like can anyone tell which is the active voice and passive voice in this? And this passive voice. This because we know, because this is a subject, and we and then take we. These are the active voice. This is a simple word. But in passive voice we use to be form, that is was, and then v3. These are the basic. That's in the passive